In this video, you will learn how to adjust the number of products displayed on your product archive page by modifying the rows and columns in the Jupyter X Products widget. We'll show you how to easily change these settings to customize your shop's layout. To begin, open your shop archive layout template from the Jupyter X Layout Builder and start editing it with Elementor. In this layout, I have already added a Products widget that displays the website's products in a grid. Right-click the product card to open the widget context menu. Choose Edit Products to open the widget's content panel. Now open the Layout section to access the grid settings. The maximum total number of displayed products is calculated by multiplying the number of rows by the number of columns. Select 3 rows to show more products vertically, so each grid displays 3 stacked rows of items. Let's try 4 columns for 12 products. You've successfully customized the product display on your shop page. Try adjusting the rows and columns with your own products to create the perfect layout.